Hello students. First of all, we are going to discuss regarding a theorem, the theorem number 6.6 given in NCERT. It is regarding the ratio of areas of two similar triangles, the triangles that are already similar. The proof of this theorem is deducted for this year 2021. So we must know about what is the theorem, because we are going to apply this theorem to solve other questions also. So the application of theorem is also in the syllabus. So what is the theorem? The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles means if we have a triangle ABC and PQR, their ratios are they are already similar. So the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Okay, so when the two triangles are already similar, so we have because we know that the few things, if the triangles are similar, their sides are always in the equal proportional and their all corresponding angles are always equal to each other. Now the third thing that we can also use here, when the two triangles are given similar, so their ratio of their areas will always equal to the square of their ratio of their corresponding sides. So like this. So we are going to apply this thing also in solving the other questions. First of all, I am taking using this theorem, I am taking one question, that is question number 6. Question number 6 given in exercise 6.4. Okay. So what is the question number 6 here of exercise 6.4? That is, prove that the ratio of areas of two similar triangles. As the question says that two triangles they are talking about are already similar is equal to the square of the ratios of their corresponding medians. Yes, so just now we have discussed about this. When the triangles are similar, so the ratio of areas are always equal to the square of their ratio of the corresponding sides. Now we have to prove, and this question is also very important also. Now we have to prove regarding their medians. Yes, let me tell you, we can also apply this when we have a altitude also. Yes, so the ratio of the areas will equal to the square of their altitudes also. Yes, so first of all, take this corresponding medians. So first of all, we will draw the triangle, two triangles. Okay. Sorry. So we have two triangle ABC and PQR. Okay. Now we have to prove that the ratio of their areas are two similar. It means it is already given that these two triangles are similar. So we have to prove the square of the ratios of their corresponding medians. So what we have to do, we have to draw the median also. So L and M. So AL and PM are the medians of the triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively. Okay. Now, first of all, let's write what is given to us. So given here we have triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is already we have given. Sorry. AL is median of triangle ABC and PM is median of triangle PQR. Actually, this is not need to write, but to explain you, I am writing here. What is the property of the median? Median always bisect the base. Clear? So if AL is median of triangle ABC, it means it is bisecting the base, that is BC. It means BL is equal to LC and here PM is the median. So it is going to bisect the base of triangle PQR, that is QR. It means QM is equal to MR. So we are writing this to make it clear, and because this is very important, because what is given in the question, that is the AL and the PM are the median. So definitely the use of that this will come in the to solve the question. So it means BL is equal to LC and QM is equal to RM or MR. Okay, now what we need to prove that. That is also important कि we have to be clear what is given in the question, especially in the geometry part, and what we need to prove. So we have to prove the area of ratio ABC upon area of ratio PQR. It is given, prove that the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their median. Means we have to prove AL upon PM whole square. Means we have to prove that the ratio of their corresponding square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. That we need to prove. Now let's start. Proof. How we can prove that? See, what we are going to do, we are taking, first of all, we need to write one more thing, that is, since triangle ABC is equal to triangle PQR, it means AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to CA upon RP. Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Yes, and angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Since the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so we are going to take each and every property of this. See what are the results that we can use here. Now taking triangle ABL and triangle PQM. Okay, these two triangles we are going to take. Okay, now we know that BC is BC upon QR. Yes, is also proportional to AB upon PQ. But first of all, let's write and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Yes. Now AB upon PQ is also equal to BC upon 2 upon QR upon 2. Yes. So that will equal to, what is the half of BC? That is BL upon QM, because AL is the median and PM is the median. So they are going to bisect the base of that is BC and QR. Yes. So now we have got AB upon PQ is equal to BL upon QM, and we know that since these two triangles are already given similar, so angle B is equal to angle Q. Yes, and angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay, it means by SAS, since from 1 and 2 similarity rule, triangle ABL is similar to triangle PQM. Okay, now triangle ABL is similar to triangle PQM because now we have proved AB upon PQ is equal to BL upon QM and angle B is equal to angle Q. So since if one angle is equal and the corresponding two sides are including this angle is proportional to each other, so by SAS rule these two triangles are similar to each other. So when these two triangles are similar to each other, now we have AB upon PQ is equal to BL upon QM is equal to AL upon PM. Yes. Sorry. Since these two triangles we have already proved that these are similar to each other, so their sides will definitely proportional to each other. So it means AB upon PQ is equal to BL upon QM and AL upon PM. Yes. Now we know that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to square of their corresponding sides. It means AB upon PQ whole square, that is equal to AB upon PQ whole square. Yes, because the theorem that I already shown you, when the two triangles are similar to each other, so the ratio of their areas are equal to the square of their ratio of their corresponding sides. Now we have proved that it is given, so their ratio of the square ratio of their corresponding sides are also square of the ratio are equal. Yes. Now using equation number 3 that we have proved, the ratio of the AB upon PQ is also equal to ratio of AL upon PM. So instead of AB upon PQ we can write AL upon PM whole square. That is required, that we need to prove, because AL and PM are the medians, so hence proved. And that is required, that we want, according to the question, the question want that the square of the ratio of their corresponding two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians also. So we have proved, because AL and PM are the medians. I hope this question is very clear to you. So thank you, students.